Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you've got something special coming up for Valentine's Day and you don't know what eye makeup to do, then that's what I'm trying to do here today, is give you some ideas. So I have something in my mind. It's very dramatic though, so if you're not into something dramatic then you're probably not going to like this, but sometimes I like to be really dramatic. So we're going to go with that today. It's basically inspired by the pink New Money shade in the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. So basically I'm going to try and incorporate that into this look today. Before we get into the video, if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do down below and we'll jump on in and get started. So I've already done my base makeup because I'm doing a foundation review. That review will be up before this video, so I'll link it up here if you haven't seen it yet. It's using the Tarte Shape Tape foundation, not concealer, foundation. And yeah, you'll be able to see my full first impressions and review on that one. Anyway, so brows are done as always. A tutorial for that will be down below as well, and let's get into the tutorial. So because I've already done my base, my eyelids have already got concealer and stuff on them, so I'm not going to bother with my paint pot. We're just going to jump straight into the base. So I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette. I did already lightly powder my eyelids so that it's not going to stick to anything, the colours that is. I'm going to start by going in with a nice fluffy brush. This is just stained, it's not actually dirty, so don't worry about that. And we're going to start off by going into Wooden Fresco, is that what it's called? This pinky shade just here. Oh, these are really like pigmented, I forgot. I'm going to go in with a smaller, more precise brush, and we're going to go in with the Love Letter shade. I'm going to grab some concealer and we're just going to lightly cut the crease just a little bit. Whoa, that was me just banging my knee on the desk. I'm just going to bring that pink colour just in a little bit further. So basically with this look you could leave it here, you could put tempera over the front section of the lid and leave it matte, and that would be a really nice, you know, kind of dramatic but kind of, you know, subtle everyday kind of look. Straight into that first shade, Tempera, and I just dropped this stupid little brush that comes in the palette. And we're just going to put this on the front. I'm going to go in with New Money. Just going to put a little bit on my finger and I'm just going to tap it just in that centre. Okay, I think I'm happy now. Now we're going to go on the lower lash line. I'm going to start with that Bon Fresco colour, the first light purple colour we used, and I'm just going to like smooth out a little bit. Now we're going to go in with that Love Letter shade. Then I'm just going to go in with Cypress Umber, the nice dark brown shade, and just on like a little itty bitty brush, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of the lower lash line. So before I get into lashes, I'm going to finish off the rest of the face. So we're going to go in with the Hoola bronzer. This is my like OG bronzer. This is the first like higher end bronzer that I ever tried. So we're just going to go in with that. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC Nutcracker Face Duo for the blush and the highlight. This highlight is just their Whisper of Gilt, so if you have any of their holiday collections or any of the ones that are Whisper of Gilt, then it's the exact same shade. This is just one of the packagings. I think I said in one of my last videos that I wanted to get the one from this year, but it was in a little pack and I didn't want both. Like I didn't want the pack because it came with like a little brush and a little bag, and I just didn't want that, so I didn't bother getting it. Just gonna grab the blush and then just in with Whisper of Gilt. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've put on my lashes and I've also put on some winged liner. The lashes I used are from HolyGrail Cosmetics. They are the wispies. I'm just going to grab some more highlighter and change that up. We're going to go into the Anastasia, Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrerier Glow Kit, and I'm going to go into Forever Young. And we're just going to do a little bit on top. Just wasn't good enough. Now to finish off the eyes, we're going to go back into the chocolate gold palette and we're going to grab a detail brush and we're going to dip into Rich Girl, and that's just going to go straight on the inner corner. We're going to go in with Christmas Cookie from Jeffree Star. Then I'm going to go into the lip toppers and we're going to go into Rose Gold. In Jouer lip toppers, by the way. Just wait for this to dry properly first. That looks so good. Then as always, when I'm finished my makeup look, I'll go in with my Gimme Brow, just for any powder that might have got on my eyebrows. To bring some colour back into my eyebrows. And also keep them in place like all day. Okay, and then last step is setting spray. So I'm basically going to drown my face in setting spray. I just want to fix up my hair a little bit. But this is the final result. Something fun and kind of sweet and girly at the same time, but it's still fun. Like if you're gonna go out, you know, if you're a single girl and you want to go out, have some fun, this is perfect for you. If you're a girl who's just going out to have some fun with their lover, it's also for you. So, I mean, you can do this look lightly, you can do it without the bright pink in the center, and it will make it a little bit more wearable. But I mean, if you're like me and you like to go a bit crazy, you're gonna love it. Anyway guys, so this is the final result. I really do like the lip toppers. They just give like a nice shimmer on top of your lips. And I'm just living for this colour. I'm just living for this. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.